Let me see you, man. Aaliyah. Hey, you dropped your money in there and they is collecting. Look, Aaliyah's just stuffing money in her pocket. What's up, birthday boy? Munchie over here snagging money. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Woo!
Get all of y'all's asses. Yeah, on blast. He is put on blast. What is what little girl work? Yep. That was Sierra Hubbard that just took off running. Oh, we ain't forgot about you sitting over there either. I can't even get the whole thing in there.
Easton is stuck in the tube.
Oh my goodness.
I said what, Zion? Huh? I said what?